So we were at the Vertex lab, and are they studying like how much time that light, when that light should turn on, so that I'll have enough time to react safely with the brake or my steering?
Yes, we've used Vertex extensively, and in particular, it was Vertex that let us know where to put that warning light on that forward collision warning system to do the high mount LED lights that get your attention up high, as opposed to having some obscure light down low in the cluster.
We're at the Vertex laboratory at Ford Motor, and we've got
Mike Blommer.
Mike Blommer and Ritas and Rods.
Yes.
And you bring people in here, and you're the ones who are gathering all of this data so that we know what distractions can affect our reaction times to keep people's eyes on the road that much more, right?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah.
So all those cell phones and all of those iPads and all of those fast food bags that are in the car, you're trying to get people to spend less time on those items and more time on the road.
Right. Or if they do happen to use those devices, whether it's right or wrong, can we provide some benefit, right, with some of these active safety technologies to get them back and engaged into the driving environment to avoid those accidents?
Mm-hmm.
So Rads is going to start up the simulator so you can hear some of the hydraulic pumps and whatnot starting up. You might feel just a little bit of a rumble as it powers up. Mm-hmm. And then once that's all set to go and Rads has got the simulation started, he will turn off the lights of the dome. It will burn off the fog again, so you'll actually have an interstate we'll be driving on. Early on, what's the question you want to answer, because that helps us determine what type of driving environment do we need to simulate, right?
Right. So you're setting up, you get the basic, this is what I'm testing, and then you put the testing condition into an empirical analysis that can actually then get some results.
So our group is involved kind of the full, somebody comes in and say, I have this hardware, I have this warning system, I want to evaluate it, we need to generate this driving condition. Is that something that makes sense to do in Vertex? And if it does, then we work with them to, kind of get the specifics on it.
And again, both within our group and the human factors, what type of tasks do we ask people to do, those types of things.